Welcome to our Vela tutorial. In this step, we create our first database table right in the Vela UI. And it can't be easier, right? So we go to the database, we see the tables, we see no tables are being defined yet. So let's create a new one. Let's call it users. We have an ID, which is automatically incremented. We have a created at timestamp. We obviously need something like a username. We want that to be a text field and it should not be nullable. We might want to have an email address, which also is text. And yeah, let's say that might be nullable. And then we have something like first name, also text, uh, which might be nullable, and last name, same thing. Let's you know what? Let's say the email address has to be set, just for good measure. And then we might have some external ID if we actually get this from some external thing. And because it might be anything, we also make this text. So that is it. We have row level and security enabled by default. We very much recommend doing that. A lot of the later authorization against this table is, I think that's good enough for this tutorial. If you want to learn more, feel free to watch the other videos.